Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about circular pattern in AutoCAD. This is very easy from working in uh, around 360 degree, creating number of pattern in axis. So when you click this, first of all, and create the object here. One simple object. I will click this circle and make the circle. Okay, then how to go to pattern here? So when again I will click this particular again circle. This is our axis right now, and I go to 360 degree and rotate from this circle. So when you first of all click this here, circular pattern, when apply, this is polar array, this is circular array. Polar array I will apply. First of all click this circle and enter. Then it is ask center, which center you want to go to pattern here. So if you want to click here number of pattern you want go to, okay, this is called number of pattern has been increased, but they are number of pattern is more than, you want to decrease the number of pattern. So double click in the line and come from this is pattern here, and number of quantity is 24, so I want 12, so it is come to 12. Okay, then how many distance I will provide, number of pattern is 1 their degree has been 360 degree, around angle is 33. So like this is number of circular pattern I have provide, and okay, then again how to use shortcut key in circular pattern. So when you again use from circular pattern, this is here circle, and how to use shortcut key in circular pattern. So when I click the A R enter array, when just come to array here, when I click the A R enter is apply the array, right click and ask I want go to polar and click the number of circle here, and look at this, not the 360 degree, but it's going to a particular angle according to. So then after I will click the circle here. First of all exit right now, then click this circle, and I want go to change, I want to change number of quantity, I want change number of quantity is 20. Then this is provide the 360 degree. So when 360 degree, around 360 degree between 18 degree between two circle. So it is very easy to create the circular pattern according to shortcut key. So thank you for this array. Look at this here, pattern is very easy to work from circular pattern according to 360 degree around between two circle in 18 degree. So thank you for watching.